In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, part 2 of the bittersweet story of Abi-Gaye Smythe.
TVJ's Ray of Hope. Last week, we shared Abi-Gaye Smythe's story about some of the challenges and setbacks she faced after her diagnosis with a rare and progressive heart disease at 19.
When the doctor told me that, hey, you might have the same condition that killed your mother, I got scared. I can't be as active as I used to be. I can't run, I can't dance.
Now at 26, Abi-Gaye says that she has managed to overcome some of her struggles, including finishing university after 7 long years. Now she's a news anchor at the Jamaica News Network, JNN. Abi-Gaye says she won't let the fear of dying young slow her down.
Since going through all of this, I've learned to appreciate life more. Yeah, I've learned to be strong. I've learned to have faith. Somebody asked me the other day where I get my strength and my drive from, and it may sound weird, but I say fear. I have a fear of dying young and not fulfilling my purpose, so I fight to live every single day. Every single day. No matter what it is you're going through, there's something in it to be learned.
She said her outlook on life improved because she accepted her condition.
I have a bad heart, and then there's somebody out there in a wheelchair that can't walk with a healthy heart. That person would rather have a bad heart and have legs and limbs that can work. So I tell myself that it could have been worse.
And now that she's coping, Abi-Gaye is on a mission to help others. She started the I Have a Heart Foundation to help raise awareness.
One of my long-term goals, though, is to provide social and financial support for others living with heart disease, because living with heart disease on a whole is scary and it's very expensive.
She's also encouraging others to not let their struggle determine their path.
I just get up and I get moving every day. No matter how challenging it is, life is sweet. I don't, and I never will allow this condition to define me or allow it to hold me back and to stop me from living.
With a Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.